Hello there. So let's explore what is Zoom 6-digit code, what it means, and just guide to it. So basically, 6-digit PIN it's your host key. So when you're hosting the meeting, this is your PIN code. And when someone else wants to take over as a host in the meeting, he will need to know your host PIN, so 6-digit PIN. And you can edit or view your host key in your profile. So let me just show you where to find it. So when you go to zoom.us profile and then just scroll to the very bottom, and then here you will see the host key, and then you can just add it or show to know exactly your 6-digit code for the Zoom. You can customize it. You can claim host using the desktop client. So just join the meeting, click participants, click claim host at the bottom of the participant list. So here you will have the option to claim host. And you can also claim host using H323 or SIP device. You can use your IP address, meeting ID, and host key. And then you can also use for meetings with password. And if you are starting a cloud recording, you will also need a host key or Zoom 6-digit code. So there you have it.